Welcome to Nawiri Connect. My name is Richard Funkhauser, and I am with Root Change. I will be giving you a brief tutorial on how to use this platform. Nawiri Connect is a collaborative online platform that creates in real time a map of relationships between organizations and individuals working together in civil society in Kenya. Some of the actors that are mapped include community service organizations, donors, and public institutions, among many others. By mapping the relationships between diverse actors working together in civil society in Kenya, we can identify gaps in flows of resources and information and help to inform network strengthening interventions. By joining Nawiri Connect, you will be able to visualize your professional network, learn about your organization's level of influence, and strategize on how to connect with other key actors in ways that will strengthen not only your organization, but the civil society ecosystem as a whole. To register with Nawiri Connect and start mapping your relationships, follow the link in your invitation email. Once you have created an account, you can log in at the top of the homepage. You will arrive at the Relations page, where you can see what we call different collaboration area surveys. Each of these surveys explores different ways actors are collaborating together in Kenyan civil society around children and youth. By describing your relationships with others in the network, you can discover your level of influence and the roles different organizations play as key actors in the sector. To fill out a survey and start mapping, follow the links to each collaboration area. For example, let's look at child protection. The key questions here are: who have you worked with in the past 6 months, and how often have you communicated with them? Describe these relationships by adding your partner's names on the left, then selecting a frequency on the right. Any organizations already identified in the platform will appear as you type. As a second step, you will have an opportunity to invite partners that are new to the platform to join Nawiri Connect and describe their relationships. Enter the email for your contact or another representative at the organization, and Nawiri Connect will automatically send them an invitation to join. In this way, the mapping platform grows and grows with each set of actors that join the map. After you've completed the survey, you will automatically be brought to the next collaboration area. You can fill in your connections there, or you can return to the main menu and map your relationships for different areas of collaboration. All of the relationships that you identify will automatically be visualized in the Nawiri Connect map. Here is an image of the ecosystem of organizations working to support children and their families in Kenya. The Nawiri Connect platform allows us to filter this map in different ways. We can see and identify different types of relationships in the map by highlighting them using this menu. By clicking, we can create a filter to remove relationships and focus on one specific type of collaboration. Click again to remove the filter. We can also filter the map according to other criteria: different types of organizations or actors, different regions or policy interests, among others. Nawiri Connect allows you to identify 4 different key actor types and the roles they play within the ecosystem. These are resource hubs, active networkers, brokers, and influencers. Here we can see the key resource hubs. These are the actors who are most sought after in the network as opinion leaders and information hubs. Next we have active networkers, the organizations most actively reaching out and connecting to others within the system. Active networkers serve as promoters and distributors of information and resources. Brokers are actors who connect with many others in the system and can act as facilitators that help bridge different activity areas, organization types, or regions. Lastly, we can identify influencers. These are actors who, because of their ties to key organizations, are able to diffuse information rapidly and can impact the culture and practices of a network. To learn about any of the organizations you see in the system map, hover over them to have a look at their business card. To create your own business card, you can go to your profile, where you will be able to add details about your organization and the role you play within civil society. For the profile, you'll be asked questions such as, what type of organization are you? What age groups do you work with? Where do you work within the country? These and other questions become the filters we looked at before, and create a powerful tool for cross-referencing relationships and activities shared by organizations with mutual interests. Thank you for listening to this brief tutorial. We encourage you to explore Nawiri Connect and harness the power of your relationships to help you increase your influence and impact within civil society in Kenya.